Homemade caramel chocolate cake recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a delicious homemade caramel chocolate cake recipe. This cake is a perfect blend of rich chocolate and decadent caramel flavors, creating a dessert that will satisfy your sweet cravings. Let's dive right in. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1½ teaspoons baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup whole milk. ½ cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. For the caramel: 1 cup granulated sugar. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter. ½ cup heavy cream. Pinch of salt. For the chocolate ganache: 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. ½ cup heavy cream. Step 1: Making the cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Add eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. Stir in the boiling water slowly. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 2: Creating the caramel in a saucepan over medium heat. Melt the sugar while stirring constantly until it turns amber in color. Add the butter and stir until melted and fully combined. Slowly pour in the heavy cream while stirring continuously. Add a pinch of salt and let the caramel simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3: Making the chocolate ganache. Place the chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl. In a small saucepan, heat the cream until it begins to simmer, but not boil. Stir the mixture until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Step 4: Assembling the cake. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread a generous amount of caramel on top. Place the second cake layer on top and cover the entire cake with the remaining caramel, letting it drizzle down the sides. Pour the chocolate ganache over the top of the cake, allowing it to cascade down the sides for a beautiful finish. Optionally, garnish with additional chocolate shavings or caramel drizzle. And there you have it, a heavenly homemade caramel chocolate cake ready to be enjoyed. I hope you give this recipe a try and relish every bite of this delightful dessert. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delectable treats. Thank you for watching, caramel chocolate cake lovers.